What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to talk about square roots and how to solve radical equations. This is lesson 7 and I have some examples in this video. The first one is 3 times root 3x minus 5 minus 8 equals to 4. So in order to find the answer, it means that to find the value of x, I need to move these two terms, this term to the right hand side. It's going to be 4 plus 8, so it's going to be 3x minus 5. 4 plus 8 is 12. Then you can divide both sides by 3. So whatever you do in the left hand side, you need to do it on the right hand side. So to divide it by 3, that will change it to 3x minus 5 equals to 4. 12 divided by 3 is 4. And then I squared the both sides of this equation. It's going to be 3x minus 5, so it's squared and square root cancel out. 4 squared is 16, so I have 3x equals to 16 plus 5. Then it's going to be 3x equals to 21, and then you divide both sides by 3 to get 7. This is the final answer. Next example is, let me find out the next example. Gonna have 2 square root of 4a plus 2 minus 16 equals to 16. The answer is 2 times square root of 4a plus 2 equals to negative 16. It goes to the right hand side. It's gonna be 16 plus 16 because negative is going to be positive, so it's going to be 32. And then I need to divide both sides of this equation by 2, so it's going to be square root of 4a plus 2, and here on the right hand side it's going to be 32 divided by 2, which is 16. Then what I can do, I can square both sides of this equation. 4a plus 2 squared, 16 squared. So we have 4a plus 2 equals to squared and the square root cancel each other. Then 16 squared is going to be 256. So 4a will be 256 minus 2, which is going to be 256 minus 2, 254. And then we need to divide both sides by 4. So 254 divided by 4 will be, let me calculate it, going to be 127 divided by 2, so it's going to be like a fraction. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. You can find out lots of videos regarding square roots and other topics in math. Thank you and have a great day.